Hello everyone, this is Srividya, Assistant Professor in the Department of CSIT. In this session, I am going to talk about unions, typedef and enum in C. So let's see what is an union, what is typedef and what is enum in C. In C programming language, union is a collection of elements of different data types. The union is used to create a user-defined data type. So in C programming language, as the union is used to create a user-defined data type, the union is also called user-defined data types in C. Okay. So in other words, union is a collection of non-homogeneous elements. Like structures, if you want to group different elements of same type, you can use the concept of unions. We can define new data types called user-defined data types and holds multiple values of different data type. The formal definition of an union. So this is the exact definition. Union is a collection of different types of elements under a single name. So like structures, how to declare the structure declaration is same. So here you will write union name, data type, member 1, data type, member 2, so on. For this example, creating a union is called student to hold the record. So union structure, here I have taken structure, you can replace this with union name, data type, members. Declaration is everything is common. Suppose see union example, this is the declaration of the union. Union name, suppose let's consider class, int roll number, float marks, char name of 5. Say, but what is the difference between structure and union? If the declaration is common, what is the difference between these two? So the memory allocation. The difference is what? The memory allocation. When the unions are used in C programming language, the memory does not allocate defining the union. Memory is allocated when we create the variables of a particular union. As long as the variable of a union is created, no memory is allocated. The size of the memory is allocated is equal to the maximum memory required by an individual member among all members of that union. Okay. Suppose see the example, union student, char student name, roll number and percentage. Okay. 30, 2 and 4. So like we discussed in the previous example in structures. So each and every member like 30, 2 and 4. So total 36 bytes will be allocated. But in this case, the highest memory will be of here because the size is fixed. 30 into 1, 30 bytes. That 30 bytes will be shared among all these 3 members of the union. That is the difference. Like suppose union class int roll number char C. So which is of highest data type? Here integer takes 4 bytes. As I am storing character which is of 1 byte only. I am not taking the name of the character. It will be an array again. It's a different. So I want to store only one character in my program. So that is of 1 byte because character data type takes 1 byte. So which is of highest data type? 4. That 4 is shared among these 2 members of the union. Roll number, character, suppose roll number 10, character A I am storing. So the highest data type is of 4, that is shared among these 2 members. So all lies with the memory here. The maximum highest number of data type will be allocated for all the data members of the union. Next, typedef in C. What is a typedef? Typedef is a keyword. It's a type definition. Typedef is a keyword that is used to provide existing data types with a new name. In C, typedef is a keyword that is used to redefine the name of already existing data types. When names of data types become difficult to use in programs, typedef is used with user-defined data types which behave similarly to define as an alias. See, it's just like an alias. Suppose typedef, I'll write one example, typedef int class. So integer is a predefined data type. It's a data type. So now I want to replace that integer with class. So in my program, I can use like this, class P. Instead of integer, I can use class. So it's just like an alias to a commands. Typedef, so the syntax if you see, typedef existing name, alias name, hash include stdio.h, typedef unsigned int uint. So the original data type was int, but we have replaced with uint. So this is the alias name. Typedef for struct. So here the example, typedef struct is a keyword, int x comma int y, and two variables we have declared. X is one member, they are not variables, they are the members of that structure. They are the members of the structure. So x and y are the members of the structure. So here point is now an alias for the structure. So int main uint. So what we have changed from integer? From integer we have taken the name as uint. So that will be replaced. So uint num is equals to 42. Point P is equals to 10 comma 20. So the numbers are 10 and 20. All are integer numbers. So that you will declare. And number will be printed. Point coordinate. So here we are calculating for the coordinate. So how you will take? Point P. P dot x comma P dot y. Same. Accessing of structures and accessing of unions and typedef is common. So if you want to access, again you have to use the dot operator. So it is P dot x comma P dot y. You can access the members of this typedef with structure with dot operator. So this is an alias to the commands. Here we have taken int as the data type, but we have replaced with uint. Next one is enum in C. Enum is a special type that represents a group of constants, unchangeable values. To create an enum, we use the enum keyword. What is enum? Enum is nothing but enumerated data type, followed by the name of the enum, and separate the enum items with a comma. Enum numbers 1, 2 and 3. Suppose C means whatever you have written, that will be considered into a constant integer. Suppose enum value is equals to, example, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so on, Saturday, like that. So what we have written? This values, but that values were converted into integral constant. So that will be assigned to 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose if I want to print this one, this value, or Tuesday, so you will get 2 on the screen. So whatever you take the data, that will be considered as the integer constants. So enum numbers is equals to, here the members are 1, 2 and 3. So this is the sample program. Enum numbers 1, 2, 3 are the members, and int main enum numbers v is equals to 3. So we will need a variable. Enum is the declaration, numbers is a name of that enum, and v is a variable. V is a variable. So which value I want to print? I have taken here as 3. But the starting positions are from, so this integer constant is treated as 0. This one is treated as 1. This one is treated as 2. It is 0, 1, 2. So obviously 3 means it is 2. So on the screen you will get 2. Suppose if I want to print here, enum numbers is equals to 2. 2 is of 1. So if you want to print here v, you will get 1 as the answer. So it will assign the integer constants, like group of constants, enum keyword, followed with an expression. So on the screen it will get 1. If I want to print here 1, like 1, so what you will get? You will get 0 on the screen. You can change also. Suppose enum v is Tuesday, v is equals to 2. So you will get 2, 3, 4, 5, or Monday you can assign. So from 1, if you want to print from 1, 2, 3, 4, like that you can change according to that program. So that's all for this session. We have discussed enum, typedef and unions in C. In the next session we will see sorting and searchings.